I will take care of everything. And I mean everything.
What happened is Olipsu.
I've decided to get to the bottom of everything that happened.
Have you ever cheated on me, my friend?
No.
Confess.
Confess!
Confess.
Leonard was the last person to see Brenda alive.
You don't know what I've been through. You don't know the price I've had to pay.
Can we just leave the past in the past?
It seems the past refuses to be buried.
You've got your revenge now. What did you get from it?